Welcome to my Sallay diaries. I'm watching Schitt's Creek right now. Cooking it. Hey y'all, welcome to my Sallay diaries. So right now I am b.t.s. I had to take a lift here. I had to go drop off some stuff at the pharmacy. In my lift, I was looking and going past, I could walk. I just need to have a lot of discipline. The park is near here, and I wanted to go to the park today and do work. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. I'm just gonna stay here. Why would I go all the way back? I'm gonna just linger around here and just browse and look at stuff. I'm literally in Walgreens and CVS by myself. Did y'all see that Jergens bronzer? I low-key want that. Yo, I just found the cleanser. But why is it $22? Do y'all remember Proactive? Crazy. I used to use that all the time. Y'all, just got my prescriptions. I pay for a lift to go back, but why? They're saying that they don't even have a driver for me. They're saying that it's like I'm still waiting. I'm here for another 5 minutes. If it doesn't have this, like the driver's details in the next 10 minutes, I'm walking. I need like tanning oil. I'm here to tan. If you're confused, then don't be. I need to even out my skin tone. I'm still here. Okay, so I'm walking back because they canceled my ride. I'm still here. First, I'm walking to Dollar General because I usually go there and I know how to get back to my dorm by heart from there. So I remember seeing Dollar General on my way here. I'm walking there, but there's no sidewalk here, so I'm just walking dead and grass. So anywhere is walkable when you put your mind to it. Back on my regular path, my regular walk from Dollar General. I'm here. I made it. Is there anybody behind me? No. Perfect. This is literally like an adventure. But did y'all see those ducks and the swans? The scenery. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm back in my room. It is like almost 4 o'clock. I got back a minute ago. And I took a shower, did my skincare, washed my hair. I was just laying down making TikTok and I was doing nothing. But yeah, so for the rest of the day, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna do my last load of laundry and then I have another YouTube short to make and like a TikTok. Go follow my TikTok if you haven't already. It's Kaitlyn with like hecka ease. I think it's like 4. I'll just put it in the description below. And then I'm gonna actually just clean off my desk. I think I'll make some food, so y'all gonna see like a little cooking segment with cooking with Kaya. Okay, that's really it. It's literally 4. Like I'm ready to go sleep. My days be boring. And guess what? I finished my first. Kinda, but like I still have to take midterm. I take one class for like 3 weeks every day, but I'm done with semester 1 and 2, so technically I finished. But we're on the home stretch. I only have classes for like about like 2.5 weeks. That one class is 2.5 weeks. It is forensic psychology. Yes, it is every day. It's literally Monday to Friday from 1 to 4, perfectly. But that's it. I'm gonna make some food right now actually because I'm like really hungry. So last time I just made pasta and my pasta was so good. This is the container that it was in. I gotta go downstairs and wash it and stuff. But that's exactly what I'm gonna make. I already have my bag of food that has like the pasta and all the seasonings in there from last time because I made this exact same thing the other day. Like this is the only thing I really be making for like I don't know how to cook food. I just know how to cook to survive. And I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything today. All I had today was a sip of water and some lemonade. Like I get this one on the Classico one. Stay tuned for a dorm clean out because it's on the way. Y'all, I can't believe I finished my first year. If you have any recommendations for TV shows and movies, please let me know because I have been rewatching the same exact thing over and over again and I'm actually getting tired of rewatching it and I love rewatching stuff. but it's to a point where I'm actually getting tired of it. You know what I'm saying? And here's my kitchen. I want to hold like a tour. Here it is. Yeah. So for my Alfredo pasta, I am using elbows because my grandma gave me a pack of like 4 of the different types of pasta, and that's just what I have left. Water's boiling. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a rundown of all my seasonings that I will be using, and then I'm gonna see y'all pasta done. So first I have nutritional yeast, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, salt, and garlic. Some oil. I wish I had olive oil, but I have vegetable oil. It's okay. It's boiling. If y'all have any vegetarian friendly recipes, because I am a vegetarian, if y'all don't know, let me know. And I'm gonna try to cook this summer. I'm gonna try to cook some, not right now. Cook with my sister. Make a video of that. But if you have any recipes, comment down below on me. I'm gonna start looking into stuff. She's done. Okay, y'all, back in my room, and here's the pasta. I just made a lot for over the course of a few days, so I have mine on my plate. I'm going to get some more after this. I already started eating it before I even cut on the camera because I was hungry. I think I'm just gonna watch My 1,000-Pound Sisters. Yeah, and that's it. I'm gonna eat my food, chillax. Hey y'all, so I'm laying down now. I have the itis. I'm gonna be on my phone and I'm gonna edit and make TikTok. And I'm watching, what's it called right now? What's it called? I'm watching Schitt's Creek right now. This is so funny. I've already watched this show before and I'm rewatching it, but I haven't seen it in a while and I can tolerate this. So yeah. But like, look at my setup, it's so cute. Like the windows open, got my flowers, and then my speakers over there. 6:58, and I just been laying here this whole entire time. Yeah, it's been a minute. I didn't edit. I just been bedrotting and watching TikToks. Not gonna lie, but I need to edit. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. It looks like it's gonna storm though. Hold on. It's not even sunny anymore. It's cloudy. Like, I know y'all see that, but look at my 3 million tabs. Hey y'all, Kelsey, hopefully. I'm still laying down, but I was actually being productive. I edited and I scheduled 3 YouTube shorts, and then tomorrow I'm gonna edit this video. Yeah, hopefully I have stuff for a thumbnail. I mean, by the time y'all see it, it's gonna be a thumbnail, but like, at this point in time, Monday, April 21st. Y'all wanna see them? Okay, here. Waves of blurry. It's probably a little bit blurry. So the first one is like the mini Sunday reset, and this one, so the solo diaries is coming out tomorrow my time, so this one could be episode 2. After that 2-mile walk, let me tell you, I was done. Okay, what? But it's okay because I saved myself $15. Still watching Schitt's Creek. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night. I have to keep my streaks up on TikTok, y'all, because these streaks, no joke. But that's gonna conclude the end of the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Go follow my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll see y'all next.